For this project, we're going to use what we learned from our collage project, and we're going to collage a color wheel. So the first thing you need to do is you need to grab a blank color wheel worksheet from me. I'm going to have these at the door when you come in. You need to familiarize yourself with supplies. So get comfortable with the things that you're using. You're going to be using your template, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a bunch of magazines. And to start the project, you're just going to pick any color on the color wheel, inside and out. You're going to choose one color to start with, and you're going to begin the project. So choose any color and complete one color at a time. One of the difficult things that you're going to do is have to go through a magazine and pick out every time you see a color. So if I choose the color red, I need to go through this magazine. I need to pick all the different spots that I see the color red. They're everywhere. And what I need to do is I need to cut out a good size piece of that color and set it aside. Once you have enough pieces, you can come back to your template and you can glue them. What I did was I chose 3 colors at once, and I created a pile of clippings from magazines of those pieces. I have my yellow orange, and my red orange. So what I'm going to do is I'll take these pieces and I'll glue them in here. I already have a template that is almost done. And you'll see that I kept mine really, really neat. I'm going to show you how to do that. By starting on my yellow. I take my yellow and I'm going to just put pieces in here. I'm going to lay it down first and see how it fits inside of that triangle. I can make a line with my nail if I want to show me where to cut. I'm cutting very carefully. Take my glue stick and I'm going to glue the magazine piece, not the paper. And I'm going to be careful when I set that in. Line it up nice and neat. And there's one piece. And then you're going to repeat this over and over again until you have every shape on the color wheel filled with the color that you're working with. When you're cutting your pieces out of the magazine, you don't want them to be super, super small. I like to keep my pieces about the size of a quarter. Okay, so I have my inside triangle done. So I have a lot more of my yellow because my yellow I need it here. and I need it here, so I need to have a lot of pieces to fill that in. Okay, so continue to cut, glue, try to be as neat as you can in your project, and if you need any help or you have any questions, let me know. So to review, first we grab a blank piece of paper. Make sure you have all of your materials, your magazines, your glue stick, your scissors, and your paper. Choose any color to start with. Complete one color at a time. Search for those different colors and different hues of color. They're not all going to be the same red. They're not all going to be the same purple or blue. That's okay if there are different tints, shades, and tones. Then you'll cut pieces from the magazine. Once you have enough pieces, go ahead and start gluing them into the spots on the paper, and you're going to repeat that process for every color. If you have any questions, let me know.